Hey everyone, check this out. It comes packed with a full set of 36 screwdriver bits and 30 utility blades for any project you can think of. The whole case is just slightly larger than a smartphone, which makes it super portable. And look at the driver itself, it fits perfectly in the palm of your hand. Getting the screwdriver out of the case is a breeze. It just pops right out, ready to go. The entire kit weighs in at just 11.9 ounces. Alright, let's break this down so you can see how it all works. When you need to open a box or make a precise cut, you can snap in the utility blade attachment. It's perfect for everyday tasks and crafts. And just as easily, you can switch over to the screwdriver bit holder for any repairs or assembly jobs. Now, here's a really cool feature. This section on the case is a magnetizer and demagnetizer. Just swipe the tip of your bit through the plus side to magnetize it. And now, the screw sticks right to the tip. This makes it so much easier to get screws started, especially in tight spaces. No more dropping tiny screws. Swapping out the bits is also a piece of cake. You just pull one out and pop another one in. Simple as that. They've also included this solid metal ring. It slides right onto the handle to give you a wider grip, which helps you apply a lot more torque for those really stubborn screws. And check this out, the back cap of the screwdriver unscrews to reveal some hidden storage. You can keep your 3 most used bits right here inside the handle. This is perfect for when you just need to grab the driver for a quick job and don't want to bring the whole case. Just a quick heads up. I wouldn't recommend storing the sharp utility blades in here. They could get dulled or scratch up the inside. It's best to stick with just the screwdriver bits for the onboard storage. If you like what you see, you can check it out and back the project on Kickstarter. Thanks for watching!